Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Back with me again, Izudin Adli with my friends here, Iwan and Fisky. Through this video, I'm going to talk about the temperature in Pamulang during the transitional season. Here, I used the graph because it clearly shows how the temperature changes each day. From the graph, we can see that the temperature starts at 24 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then slowly goes up to 31 degrees Celsius on Saturday, drops a bit to 21 to 29 degrees Celsius on Sunday. This means the weather is getting hotter and hotter as the week goes on. It usually happens in the Pancaroba season when there is less rain and more sunlight. And also lately, I've been trying to pay more attention to how temperature affects people's routines. It helps me understand the data better than explain it in a way that feels closer to real life. This data is not just about numbers. It shows how people's daily activities are affected by the heat. For example, drivers or workers who stay outside for long hours feel more tired at noon. That's why it's important to drink enough water, wear light clothing, and avoid direct sunlight around midday. So the graph doesn't just show the weather, it shows how we live and adapt to it every day. Next up, as usual, Yuan will get you through it.
Okay, so hello everyone. Now I will explain about rainfall in Pamulang using a table. So why I choose a table? Because it makes the data more easy to read and easy to compare. So right now let's see the table. Okay, so from the table we can see that rainfall changes a lot from day to day. So there's a light rain on Monday and Friday, heavy rain on Saturday, and almost no rain on Thursday. This shows the weather is not stable. Sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy. A small things like this can affect our health. So when it's rain a lot, the air becomes humid and people can easily get coughs, colds, or flu. But when it suddenly becomes hot, mostly people will feel tired or get dehydrated easily. Recently, I've started noticing how rainfall patterns are connected to people's health. Understanding this makes the data feel more meaningful to me, not just numbers in a table. So guys, that is from me. I hope this table can be informative to you, and I do apologize if I make any mistake. So thank you.
Hello everyone. Next I will talk about the humidity using these charts. I use a chart because it's easy to see how humidity goes up and down each day. From the chart we can see that humidity is very high on Monday, around 90%, but goes down to about 75% on Saturday. This means the air become drier and feels hotter. Even the temperature doesn't change much. Humidity is important because it affects how comfortable we feel. When it's too dry, our skin can feel rough, and when it's too humid, it feels sticky and uncomfortable. As I prepare this part, I realize how much the technology help us to understand things like humidity. It's made more interested in how simple apps can help people plan their day and stay comfortable. So this chart help us to understand how weather and technology work together to make a daily life easier. Compared to last week, we were not learning to connect our data with real situations around us. Each us try to understand more about what number means in a daily life, not just how to present them. Yeah, this make our explanation feel more natural and closer what really happens in Pamulang. That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.